In today's video, I'm going to teach you about Shopify Payments Test Mode, the ultimate guide for beginners. If you're new to Shopify and looking to understand how to test transactions without using real credit card information, you're in the right place. By the end of this guide, you'll know how to set up your store to simulate transactions effectively. Let's begin by navigating to Shopify's main dashboard. On this page, take a look towards the bottom left corner. Here, you'll find the settings icon. Go ahead and click on this to access all the various options you have to configure your store. Once you're in the settings, you'll see a list of options on the left-hand side. You want to select the option labeled Payments. By clicking on this, you'll access a menu where you can manage all your payment options. This is where we can set up the test mode. Now, you'll see a button that says Choose Provider. Click on that, and it will present you with various payment gateway options available in Shopify. For testing purposes, we're not going to use a real gateway. Instead, we'll select something called the bogus gateway. This is Shopify's built-in tool that allows you to process test transactions on your store without any real payment processing. Once you've found the bogus gateway among the options, go ahead and click to activate it. You'll get a confirmation message indicating that the gateway has been successfully activated. With this setup, your store is now ready to simulate different transaction scenarios. Now, let's discuss how you can use the bogus gateway to test your checkout process. When you go to your store and order a product, you won't use a real credit card number. Instead, the bogus gateway provides specific codes you can enter into the credit card field to simulate transactions. These codes are essential for simulating various payment responses you might encounter in real-world situations. The first code you can use is to simulate an approved transaction. It responds as if the payment went through without any hitches. The second option simulates a declined transaction, which is useful for testing how your store handles these scenarios and ensures customers receive the right messaging. The third option allows you to simulate an error with the gateway itself, giving you insight into how to troubleshoot or manage issues that may arise. And that concludes our guide on using Shopify Payments Test Mode with the bogus gateway. With these steps, you can confidently test your store's payment processing, ensuring everything runs smoothly before you go live with real customers. Thanks for watching, and happy testing.